Hi, welcome to Math Factor. This is our second episode of our Grade 8 series. Today, we're going to learn about a special factoring technique called the difference of two squares. This method is very useful and comes up frequently in algebra. Let's get started. The difference of two squares is a specific type of polynomial that can be factored using a simple formula. The formula for factoring the difference of two squares is f squared minus L squared equal to the product of quantity f plus L and quantity f minus L. And to use this formula, you first need to recognize that the expression is a difference or a subtraction of two perfect squares. For example, let's look at the expression x squared minus 9. So here, x squared is a perfect square. 9 is also a perfect square, and it is expressed with subtraction symbol. That's why this is a difference of two squares. Alright, let's try a few more examples to reinforce this concept. We will start with a simple expression 4a squared minus 49. To factor it, first, let us identify the squares of the both terms. For 4a squared, we will express it as quantity, then get the square root of 4, we have 2. Get the half of the exponent of the given variable, so we have your a squared. The half of a squared is a. Then raised to 2. For 49, we have quantity, the square root of 49 is 7, raised to 2. Next, write the expression as the difference of two squares. So we have f squared minus L squared. The values inside the parentheses represents f and L. So we have here 2a as our first term or f and 7 as our last term. So we will write it as quantity 2a squared minus quantity 7 squared. And finally, for our last step, we're going to apply the formula. So we have quantity f plus L multiplied by the quantity f minus L. So again, for the first term, we have 2a plus, for the last term, we have 7. Then quantity 2a minus 7. And there you have it. So in short, to factor the difference of two squares, you just need to get the square root of the both terms and then apply the formula. Let's try it on our next example. In this example, we have 9x squared minus 25y raised to 4. So we're going to get the square root of the first and the last term. Let us start with 9x squared. The square root of 9x squared is 3x. And for 25y raised to 4, we have the square root of 25 is 5. And the square root of y raised to 4 is y raised to 2. Then apply the result on the given formula. We have f plus L, quantity f minus L. So again, this is our f for the first term, and 5y squared is our last term. Applying or replacing it here in our formula, we have 3x or quantity 3x plus 5y raised to 2 multiplied by the quantity 3x minus 5y raised to 2. And there you have it. Alright, now it's your turn. Try factoring the following expressions using the difference of two squares. Pause the video, work it out, and then we will check your answer later. Alright, let's see if you got it right. Here are the answers. Great job if you got those right. If not, no worries, just keep practicing. Factoring the difference of two squares is a handy tool to have in your algebra toolkit. Remember, the key steps are to identify the perfect squares and then apply the formula. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on our next episode. Happy factoring! Bye!